In this video, I will show you how to log Google Keep Notes with password. So, the thing is, you cannot log Google Keep Notes with its built-in password or any feature. So, you'll have to use your phone's feature. You can simply press and hold on to the Google Keep Notes, then click on More Features. Here you might find App Lock, and if your phone is missing that feature, you can simply go to Settings. In the search bar, search for App Lock. Here you can find it, or you can even search for encryption if that is what it's named in your phone. Now from here, simply click on App Lock. Click on it, scroll till the end and click on App Lock. Click on Got It. First of all, turn this toggle on in the top. Then click on Settings. You'll be directed to where you'll have to put on your password or a passcode. Then set your security questions and recovery email. Once you do that, you can simply scroll down below and find Keep Notes. Once you find it, simply turn this toggle on. Then click on Use. After that, when you try to access Keep Notes, it will ask you for your Face ID, fingerprint or the passcode. And in case you're missing that feature, simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for App Lock. Now you have multiple options here. Simply download any one of them and then use it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.